It is a treasured day in the nation's capital. It is peak bloom in Washington, D.C., alongside of the tidal basin. And there are a lot of special trees. The indicator tree is one that points to about a week before peak bloom. And then there's the expected original 2 trees that were planted. But what about this tree? This is the love tree, the engagement tree. When a branch falls off, sometimes the park department have to clean up the trees. And when they cleaned this branch off, it created the shape of a heart. And for those of you who love the cherry blossom season, look, there's not much left of this tree. They are making sure that it keeps all of the visitors happy, including a hello from the love branch. Till next time, from the tidal basin on peak bloom day. Happy spring.